Just add eggs to Coke and you'll thank me. It's amazing. I put 2 eggs in the Coke and now I'm going to need to shake them very well. Look what a wonderful tip. Just mix it very well and it will start to change color. It's already started to turn brown, see? Before we open here, I'll need a blender. And in the blender, I already put some of this Coke. I'm using a 200 milliliters Coke, and now I'm going to need to open this Coke carefully. It opens very slowly. I'm going to put this mixture in the blender and see the consistency it acquires. It is a very creamy mixture. Now we add a tablespoon of margarine or butter. Please note that this spoon is very full. And now here we are going to fit the blender well and let it mix well until all that butter is dissolved. Okay, and then I'm going to add a cup and a half of wheat flour. You have no idea how this recipe will turn out. We will also add 200 grams of chocolate powder. We beat again for another 2 minutes. Enjoy and tell me where you are watching us from. I would love to know how far our videos go. Now we add a tablespoon of baking powder. Let it beat well, and I'll show you how it will look once well mixed. The mold is already greased with margarine and chocolate, and we're going to pour this mixture. We put our Coke cake in the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes. It's super fast. I'll show you how it will look. I'm sure it will surprise you. Our cake is now well baked. Look what a beautiful cake, super delicious and easy to make. So I'll put it here. To finish, I will add a ganache. I use cream and dark chocolate, but you can use whatever you prefer, and I will put it on top of the entire cake. It is delicious. Look how creamy. Make it at home and you won't regret it. This cake is super cute. I told you wouldn't regret this recipe. This cake is delicious and makes everyone at home happy. The flavor is incredible. I challenge you to take this test at home. You will be impressed with the final result. Until next time, God bless you.